Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I bring to you another Binance update that I've actually been working on for some few weeks. So today I'm going to show you guys how to earn free Binance USD, that's BUSD, using the Binance crypto box. So most of all, I believe most of you don't know what crypto box is in Binance, but it's actually a way you can send gifts to users on Binance, and Binance also uses this medium to send gift box. They call it gift box. So Binance sends gift box to users using this method. So I'm going to show you how each participant on Binance can claim his gift box, and most times this is done on a daily basis if you are lucky, but it's always guaranteed for you to receive a gift box every week. So okay, let me show you guys how to do this. Let me go back to home, start from fresh. So once you're on your home page, your home Binance home, the next thing you do is click on your profile up here. So from your profile you come to pay, you click on pay, and you can see send money, crypto box, mobile top up, $1 gain. So this is a whole new interface on Binance, and majority of the guys on Binance don't usually uh, use these options. They don't use these categories in Binance, so they don't really know about this. So the next thing you do once you are here is you come to CryptoBox, you click on okay. You can read about CryptoBox here, but this is not what we are here for. So you click on receive, and here you input your code. The code you are to use is BinancePay. So BinancePay. Once you input this, you can see these are the previous CryptoBox that I've claimed. You can see this is my last claim. Then so when I click on claim now, officially, you see they have sent me, so I click on open. uh, okay, this is new actually. So it says please go back to pay homepage, click on banner on the latest offer to participate in campaign. So let's go back and see. This is actually new, but it seems I'm no longer eligible, or I've claimed all my crypto boxes, because if this is actually the first time you are doing it, it's going to show you the amount of crypto box that you have claimed. You are going to see a message like this. Yes, officially this is what you are going to see if you are still eligible for it. But for me it says obviously I'm not, so that's how you do this stuff. So they said I should go back to home page and click on, well, I've literally forgotten, maybe I'll try that again. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you claim free Binance. I think the coin they give, let me check. I've forgotten this, sorry guys. So the coin you earn is BUSD. I think that does it. So you earn BUSD. So using this format, you can easily accumulate free Binance USDT, and so try it, and see if it works for you. And if it works for you, you can do it frequently, and you keep receiving these free gift boxes. So thank you guys, hope this video was really helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. That's the only way you can support me, and also turn on the post notification to keep receiving more updates like this. Thank you, and do have a nice day. Stay blessed.